You believe me if I told you that this long formula and this short formula are actually the exact same? You wouldn't, right? Well, in the first formula, you can see that we referenced various columns from our table above, resulting in the classic reference style that appears whenever we refer to data contained in a table. Now, while this reference style certainly has its advantages, there's a hidden option in Excel that allows you to display table references as traditional cell references, such as C2 or F9, which, guess what? Behave in the exact same way. All right, so what you need to do is to click on File, then select Options. In the window that opens, go to the Formulas tab and simply uncheck the Use Table Names in Formulas option, and then click on OK. And now take a look at what happens when I write the exact same formula as above. This time we don't get back the traditional table reference style, but instead we simply get the normal cell reference style. Now, while these formulas behave in the exact same way, meaning that our new formula also retains the dynamic behavior of table references, there might still be some slight differences. For instance, take a look at what happens when we delete column F in the table above. The original formula now returns an error, while our alternative adjusts automatically. So, try it out and let us know what you think about it.